Hi guys, welcome back to Paper Confessions with Karamia, back with holiday mail. I hope you guys are enjoying the holiday season. This special mail comes from my dear snail mail friend and longtime pen pal, who I fondly call my twin pal because we share a lot of in common, and her name is Sandra. So I just wanted to show you the amazing, adorable stickers she put here. We previously did a sticker swap. We love anything retro and cute. We love the scratch and sniff stickers. If you want to see that swap, I will link it at the end. And let's open it up and see what Sandra sent here. Thank you so much, Sandra. Oh my gosh. She is the most adorable baby girl. Her name's Isabel, and I just love her. She's so cute. Here it is, Season's Greetings. Merry Christmas. So if you want to check out her posts on Instagram, oh my gosh, she shows some of her, how she lays out her stickers. This is the front. Oh, wow. Hope you have a Christmas that's as happy as can be. This is so adorable. Oh my gosh, let me read her note real quick. Thank you so much, Sandra. Definitely agree. We have been friends for a while, and I just care so much about her, and it's amazing how you can create a relationship virtually and online and make these wonderful connections through the years. So thank you so much for this beautiful message. Look at what she's done here. She's created a pocket with adorable stickers in here. Oh my gosh, are my eyes deceiving me? Or is that a koala bear and little monkey? And I love the holiday flower. Look at this adorable mini Hello Kitty stickers. She finds the most amazing things. Let me put this down so that we can focus, camera. Look at this. This is super cute. Perfect for the planners. And it's Pip stickers. That is adorable. I don't know why my camera's a little funky, but we have a few more stickers in here. I love these snow globes. How fun is that? And I love the colors of blue. Thank you. These are perfect letter seals as well, and you can use them in your junk journals or planners. And look, we got Santa. I love this. Definitely going to put these in my December daily journal. So thank you so much. I love this. And on the back, it looks like it has a sticker, and it says it's handmade. It's handmade for Clarissa. Thank you for being my friend. Oh my gosh, Sandra, that's so sweet. I am truly blessed to have you as a friend as well. And it looks like she's included some fun goodies. I love the bag. It's a gingerbread house with our Christmas little washi. So let me put that aside and let's see what she sent. Oh my gosh. If you look at my Happy Mail playlist and type Sandra Happy Mail, oh my gosh, we have traded and done swaps through the years, and it has been always a delight. But look at what she's done here. She has included some amazing pockets here filled with holiday stickers. So let me just pull these out first and show you. Look at Santa. And I love what you did there. That's really cute with the layers. So here it is. Our theme this year is Frosty the Snowman. I love it. We have the wreath, some cute little gingies and gingerbread theme. Oh, how fun. That's adorable. Oh my gosh. How cute is this guy? Oh, wow. Really cute. Oh, are they singing carols? This is so cute. Little gingerbread. And then we got the kitty cat stickers. How fun is that? That is amazing. And then it looks like there are a few more in the back here. And look at this. Oh my gosh, there's more in the back, and I'll show you that in just a sec. We got our Frosty the Snowman stickers, and I'm definitely going to use this as letter seals. Oh, I love the peanuts. Oh, we got Snoopy. Oh, this is so much fun. I love these. And I love the penguin. Oh, look at that reindeer. And Frosty's adorable. There's Santa. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Are these stickers? Oh, it's a postcard. It's a Yes, it is a postcard. So I'm definitely going to use that in my journal. And sorry about that glare. This is embossed. And look at this, super adorable. And this as well is a cute little postcard that we can use for journaling. So I love that. And in the back, look at what she's done here. I love how she's put a brad. Does this open up? Or I think that's decoration. But look at how she's beautifully created a sticker collage with all these wonderful cuties. Oh my gosh. I love it. Look at that, the fox. We both love foxes. Oh my gosh. And there's more. Here it is. Like I told you guys, we love scratch and sniff. So let me take this out. Some gingerbread washi on there. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, it smells good. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That's so adorable. I'm going to put this in my retro sticker book. Oh, these are too cute. That's the holiday themed one. And here is Frosty the Snowman. I'm going to have to see what that smells like. Kind of minty green. And a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun. Thank you so much, Sandra. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Santa and milk and cookies. Oh, wow. Look at how cute this is. I think majority of these scratch and sniff are from a store called Everything Smells, and I've ordered from them before, but I've never had a chance to order the Christmas one. So thank you for sharing this. This is a peppermint bark one. Now this one's from a different seller, it looks like, but they are just super adorable. Look at this next one here. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. And then we got a Gingies. It smells like gingerbread. Oh my gosh. And what is this? Peppy Mints. Isn't that cute? And last but not least, we got the giant ribbon candy. And it's a big scratch and sniff sticker. I just love it. Again, Sandra, a big thank you for this amazing holiday mail. And I know she finally got the one I sent her recently. I'll be mailing you a little bit more stuff when I get back. I haven't really had time to really pack more, but I will send it off to you in the new year. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Happy Mail unboxing. If you're interested in sharing some love and checking out Sandra's Instagram, I'll link it down below. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.